Hi everyone, my name is Emmelis Keaney, aka Disability Queen. I'm going to go over the 5 reasons why I think almost everyone I know and almost everyone you know should protect their income. And if any of the following 5 reasons describe you, then I suggest you consider it. Number 1, you have debt. If you have student loans, a mortgage, credit card debt, or any form of debt, just think, how would you be able to make payments to service that debt if you lost your income due to a long-term disability? By long-term, we mean a disabling injury or illness lasting over 6 months. And it's not just about you. Think about family and co-signers of that debt. Would you be putting them in a predicament if you couldn't service the debt that you got yourself into? Number 2, you're the primary breadwinner. Think about your spouse and your children, and in some cases even parents that may be dependent on you. If you lost your ability to work, how would the loss affect your family? Would the household be able to pay your bills for a substantial period of time? School, tuition, utilities, mortgage, health insurance, groceries, car payments, etc. If the answer is my family would be devastated or my family's lifestyle would change dramatically, then you ought to look into income protection. Because the truth is, it doesn't have to get to that. Number 3, not enough assets or savings. Maybe you're starting out in your career, or maybe you're at the peak of your career. Regardless, this is not the time to spend down assets that you don't have or that you're saving for your future. The neat thing about disability income insurance is that while it replaces your income when you need it, if used as part of a comprehensive financial plan, it can be a solid foundation and help you also save for your future like you originally planned. So, if you don't have enough assets saved up yet, it's best you reevaluate your plan. Number 4, you don't have an emergency fund. Most people are urged to keep liquid at least 6 months worth of fixed expenses in case of an emergency. However, most people barely have 2 months of expenses saved up. Also, if you have savings or assets but they're not liquid, such as real estate, silver, gold, among others, this can put you in a predicament if you lost your income and had to sell them to acquire the necessary funds to replace your income. Number 5, you don't want to be someone's burden. The love and loyalty of family is a treasure, but most people don't want to burden their family members with their care needs, and especially they don't want to be a financial burden. After all, everyone has their own needs. But even if you're single and you don't have an extensive family, think of how would you be able to afford your healthcare provider services if you have no income coming in? Who would you depend on? Social Security? Medicare? You mean to tell me you're going to leave your well-being up to the government? There's different ways of going about protecting your paycheck, and the most suitable for you depends on different significant factors. One thing I do know is that these are the top 5 reasons why I think you need to stop procrastinating and start planning ahead. Now, if you like this video, click on the thumb up, and I want to hear your feedback, so please leave a comment below with a question or a story and share this valuable information. Don't forget to subscribe right now. There's plenty of more valuable topics that we have in storage for you. So click subscribe below and tell everyone why it's so important to protect their income. Tell them that DI Queen told you so.